How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel once again with another tutorial. This time I'm gonna be making a Amapiano type beat using stock plugins in FL Studio. Let's listen to the beat first, then I will explain how I made it. Let's listen to the beat. Okay, it's a very simple beat but fire. For the entire beat I'm just using Sytrus or Sytrus VST, and of course the log drum of course is let me see here, this log drum. Okay, so the first thing was the BPM. I set the BPM to 113. So now I'm gonna solo the instruments so that I can explain how I've played each instrument. Okay, so the first one was this ballerina preset from Sytrus. Okay, you can find this on bells, the first instrument. Okay, so let's see how it sounds. Okay, so the next one, I'm using this super soul. Okay, this super soul, the preset, and then I've played this melody. Okay, the next one, I'm using this lead guitar reel, and I've played this melody. Okay, the next one, I'm using again this ballerina preset, and I've played this melody. Very nice sounding bell. Then the log drum, of course, I'm using this plugin. You know this plugin, this DX10 FM synth. Okay, let's see how it sounds. Now let's go to drums. I'm using the same plugin, this Sytrus. I'm just using Sytrus and the log drum, of course. So for the open hi-hat, I'm using this preset. We can go to percussion. Okay, percussion, we will find this, the first one, head abierto 1. Okay, I'm using this preset. So I've played this open hi-hat, just where is, okay, you can see. Then the shaker, I'm using head shaker, same VST. Okay, head shaker, you can find there. And just mess with the velocity so to give this bounce. Okay, just seal all the steps, then mess with the velocity. Okay, the next one is the kick. I'm using again the same plugin, Sytrus kick 7. Okay, you can go just go to percussion, you will find all this drum kit. Okay, just really each 4 steps. Okay, for the snare, I'm using again the same plugin, Sytrus. Just go to percussion and you'll find this snare. Let's see how it sounds. Very simple. Okay, so that's it for the beat, guys. Thanks for watching. If you didn't yet, consider subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't lose any of my next contents. Stay tuned. Peace.